Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about prime numbers now. Before doing that, let's find factors of few numbers such that we can define prime numbers easily. Let's find factors of 3. For that, I am making use of multiplication tables chart and set tables up to number 3. As you see here, 3 can be written as 1 times 3 and 3 can also be written as 3 times 1, right? It means that factors of 3 are going to be 1 and 3. Let's now find factors of 4. For that, I set tables up to number 4. As you see, 4 can be written as 1 times 4, 2 times 2, and 4 times 1. It means factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Now let's find factors of 5. For that, I set tables up to 5. And as you see here, 5 appears in the table of 1 and 5 appears in the table of 5. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Now let's find factors of 6. To do that, we set tables up to 6 and 6 can be written as 1 times 6, 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 and 6 times 1. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Similarly, one can write factors for many other numbers, right? Here what I'm doing is I'm writing factors for numbers ranging from 1 to 12. As you see here, some of the numbers have only two factors. Those are 1 and the number itself, right? The numbers that are having only two factors are called prime numbers. Please take a note of this. So from this table, we can say that prime numbers below 13 are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, right? The numbers that are having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Please take a note of that. So we can write composite numbers below 13. Those are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12. These are the numbers that have got factors more than two factors, right? You must have observed that 1 has got only one factor. That's why we call that number as neither prime nor composite. Please take a note of this. 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Let's learn a little more about prime numbers now. We have seen prime numbers below number 12 are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, right? Let me write now prime numbers below 20. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So similarly, you can write prime numbers below 100, prime numbers below 1000, prime numbers below 1 lakh, prime numbers below 1 crore, like that, right? And in the video on natural numbers, we learned that one can write infinitely many natural numbers, right? It means that one can find infinitely many prime numbers. Please take a note of this. If you start writing prime numbers, you will be writing prime numbers forever. And as you see here, 2 is the smallest of the prime numbers. And you must have observed that 2 is the only even prime number. No other prime number is a even number. Please take a note of that. Because all other even numbers are having 2 as a factor, it means that along with the number itself and 1 as factors, those numbers are having 2 also as a factor. That's why they don't qualify to be prime numbers, right? And every prime number except number 2 is an odd number. Please take a note of that. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, ECBSC Online Classes on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.